we would like to introduce to you the Armature project. In this video, we would like to showcase the different functionalities that our prototype prosthetic can provide. We recommend turning on the smart glasses first before we turn on the prosthetic hand. The sequencing is not important, although we advise following these guidelines to reduce boot time. Since we do use eye tracking technology, the users must focus their eyesight onto the object that they want to interact with. The eye tracking technology will provide the coordinates for the YOLO V4 object detection model to determine the hand gesture that the amputee would want. We also use a stop hand symbol on the prosthetic hand to revert the hand gesture to its home position. As a proof of concept, the recorded video of the prosthetic device is capable of three gestures, namely the grab, lift, and point. The three gestures that were used in the video is what we found to be the most useful gestures for amputees in their day-to-day living. Lastly, we also include the magnetic charging for the system so that the amputee will not have any difficulty charging their device.